Hi everyone, so today we have Blaupunkt Cambridge M23. It's from 1980s. This radio is one from our customers and we did full service for it and also installed the Bluetooth. So what we did basically, this is very complicated mechanism, so luckily we did had one from our donor radio, so we did change this one, we fixed the lights, changed the belts, clean everything inside, and also we did manage to install Bluetooth. Okay, so at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, so radio works. Now it's time for cassette. Not much sound quality because there is no new parts for this mechanism, but hey, it still works. Now it's forward, go backwards. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. Camera hardly focus. Yeah. Let's take out the cassette. Let's see once again. Yep. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, it's very easy. Now you are on FM mode, simply press long waves or middle waves, doesn't matter, and you will be on the Bluetooth mode. Now the Bluetooth is activated. We'll go to our cell phone and turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds and here it is. Okay. Now the Bluetooth is connected. You can go wherever music you have on your phone and just play it. Cool, right? Radio itself, it's in great cosmetic condition. Everything works as should be. Let's try another song. Cool, right? And it's very simple. When you want to back to your regular radio, simply press any of these. This is FM mode buttons, and you back to FM mode. Okay, thumbs up guys. Another happy customer.